guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we will mix color gray and beige enamel paint for wood. Gray is timeless and versatile. This neutral color is a popular choice for kitchen cabinet. Beige is a refreshing color. Beige kitchen cabinet looks great against white wall. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on our upcoming paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you.
Bartender
Our client order 1 gallon gray enamel paint for wood. Let's start by pouring enamel black on a 50% ratio of enamel white. Stir the paint very well. We are more lighter. Let's add more enamel black. It's almost the same, just add little more enamel black. Oh, it becomes darker. Let's add enamel white. Let's compare it once again. Let's add a little more enamel white. Yes, it's the same. Already! Mixing accomplished. Our next order, 1 gallon beige enamel paint mix. We have 50% ratio of enamel white. Let's start by pouring enamel caterpillar yellow on enamel white. Also add enamel black. Also drop enamel phthalo green. the paint well. We are more lighter. Let's add more enamel, caterpillar yellow, sallow green, and black. We are more lighter. Let's add more enamel, caterpillar, yellow, and black. It's almost the same, just add more caterpillar, yellow and black. Also drop small ratio of enamel molly orange. Let's also add small ratio of enamel white. Let's compare it once again. Yes, it's the same color already. Mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.